In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add receipts on Xero. If you're using Xero for managing your finances, you know how crucial it is to keep track of all those receipts. Uploading receipts to Xero can streamline your bookkeeping and end those last-minute panics at tax time. Let's make sure everything's in order. To begin our process, you will first need to log into your Xero account. Simply open your web browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Once you're there, you'll see the login button. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. If you have trouble remembering your credentials, make sure you've got them saved in a password manager for quick access. After entering your credentials, click login and you'll find yourself on the Xero dashboard. This is where all your accounting details are displayed in an easy to navigate layout. From here, we're ready to proceed. Look towards the top of the dashboard and you'll notice the name of your company. Go ahead and click on your company name. This will present a drop-down menu with various tools and features. In this menu, you will see an option called Files. Click on that. This section allows you to manage all your uploaded documents and receipts, making it much easier for later retrieval and review. Now that you're in the Files section, locate the button that says Upload File. Click on it and you'll be prompted to select files from your computer to upload. Here, you can either drag and drop the files into the designated space or click to browse your folders. Make sure those files you want to upload are images or screenshots of your receipts. You can upload them in various formats, namely PNG, PDF, and JPEG. It's a good practice to check that your receipt images are clear and readable before uploading. Clear images will not only help you later during audits, but ensure your finances are accurately reflected. Once you've selected the receipts you'd like to upload, the system will begin the upload process. You'll see progress indicators showing that your files are being uploaded. Once the upload is complete, your receipts are stored securely on Xero, and you can rest assured that they are organized and ready for when you need them. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to adding receipts into Xero. It's a simple process that could save you a lot of time and effort in managing your finances effectively. Whether you're preparing for tax season or just keeping your records up to date, being proactive with your receipt uploads is always a good strategy. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy accounting.